Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Stream Lead series. So today's topic is spam comment detection app. As we know, the word spam itself tells us about this project, whether your comment is spam or not. So let's explore this. So here we are having one text field. So I have a text. So let's check it. I'm pasting this text. Subscribe to my channel to get $10. As we know that it is a spam comments, we won't get easily these $10,000 by just subscribing a channel. So let's check whether the model will predict correct or not. We click on predict spam comment. See, your comment is spam. See, the model correctly predict that it is a spam comment. Now we will try to change the input. So we will write hello everyone. As we know, it is not a spam. So let's check whether the model is. See, your comment is not spam. See, the model predict accurately, but the model is trained on very small amount of data, so it may provide inaccurate results. As we know, we need to train our model to with a large amount of data, so it may provide inaccurate results sometimes. So it's upon you, you need to explore it. Go ahead and explore the application. To view the code, you can just visit to file section and open app.py. You can get all the details about the model, how it is trained, how it is predicting the values and all. You can check from here.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.